Hello everyone, so in this video we just demonstrate how our plug and play setup for HINO truck is working. Okay, so we already have another video showing that our plug and play wiring. So here is our head unit, okay, and this plug we already plug here in the head unit, and those bunch of things just need this end plug into the truck. So from here you see that the truck has only one cable over here and one radio antenna, so we just plug in our wiring cable in to this, okay, and you can see that I even can demonstrate it and do it by one hand like this, okay, and push it in, done. Okay, so after you plug that one in, and now just turn on the key, okay. Oh no, okay, done. So now you see that the head unit is turning on, alright, and you only need to put at the end, you only need to cable tie the power module here and the wiring nicely into the back of the space. Yep, and the head unit is already on, okay, it's ready. So it's simple like that, plug in and done. Now look at this one. As I mentioned, if you order with the reverse camera, which normally you should do because you are a truck, you need the reverse camera for reverse, then just add one wiring to the wetting wiring for the reverse, which is the positive reverse power light. And in this case we get the wiring here wetting, for the 24-volt reverse power positive here. And in this particular video, because the truck already got the power running to here for the reverse from factory, which actually is this plug, they actually run the power from the left side somewhere from the fuse for reverse into this plug from the factory. So we just plug in and we have all set the power for this one. So if in case you have the front factory power for reverse like this, then everything is plugged into the front like this, and you get head unit working and you have the reverse camera working straight from the front. But if in case you don't have the front factory power for the reverse, then simple, very simple, join this wiring in our wiring into the 24-volt reverse light from the back, which is very easy. We include the wiring along our reverse camera and it just power up, and so easy. Okay, so that's about it. HINO truck, now everything is easy, plug and play, done. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.